Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to insert a stamp into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat DC. Whether you need to label a file as confidential, approved, or include a personal identifier, stamps are essential for organizing your PDF documents. Let's get started so you can easily apply stamps to your files. Begin by launching Adobe Acrobat DC and opening the specific PDF you want to modify. Ensure the file is fully loaded before moving forward. Take a quick look at the page layout to decide exactly where the stamp should be placed. Now, look at the upper left section of your screen and locate the All Tools tab. This menu provides access to various editing features within Adobe Acrobat. Click on All Tools to reveal a list of available actions. While there are many ways to change your document, we are focusing specifically on stamps today. Within this tool list, find the Add a Stamp option. Focus on this selection and click it. You will see several pre-configured stamps, such as Approved or Draft, which are commonly used for professional paperwork. Next, choose Stamp from the panel on the left side. This opens a palette containing different categories, ranging from dynamic stamps that include the current date and time to standard business labels. After picking your preferred stamp, it is time to insert it. Simply click the exact area on the PDF where you want the stamp to appear. Be precise with your placement. The stamp will show up immediately, looking like a natural part of the document. If the standard options do not meet your needs, you can also build a custom stamp palette or design a unique stamp. This is perfect for adding logos or personalized messages to your work. Use this feature to make your document stand out. Your document now features a professional mark and is ready for sharing or archiving. Following these instructions ensures your PDFs communicate the right message. This simple process effectively manages document flow and authenticity. Thank you for watching this guide. I hope these tips help you master digital document editing.